안녕하세요. 뽀뽀 박사 김철주입니다. 오늘은 부동산 대학원 영어 면접 401번부터 하겠습니다. 제가 발음은 별로 안 좋지만 영어로 읽을 테니까 그 보시면서 직독직해를 한번 해보세요. 오늘부터는 그 가능하면 600번까지 다 하고요. 그 한글을 읽지 않을 겁니다. 자, 어차피 여러분도 발음을 하지 않아요, 시험에서. 그러니까 발음에 너무 신경 쓰지 마시고요. 401번 escrow account, escrow 계좌. An escrow account is a financial account held by a third party on behalf of two parties in a transaction, typically used in real estate deals. Funds are kept in escrow until all conditions of the sale are met, providing security for both the buyer and the seller. Once the transaction is complete, the funds are released to the appropriate party. 402번 Real Estate Syndication, 부동산 syndication. Real estate syndication is a partnership where multiple investors pool their resources to invest the properties that would be difficult to acquire individually. A syndicator or sponsor manages the investments and the property on behalf of the group. This allows small investors to participate in larger, potentially more profitable real estate deals. 이렇게 읽으면서 다 바로 직독직해가 돼야 돼요. 403. Amortization schedule, 상한 일정편. An amortization schedule is a table detailing each periodic payments on a loan, showing the amount of principal and interest that make up each payment until the loan is paid off. It helps the borrowers understand how their payments are applied over time and how the loan balance decreases. Amortization schedules are commonly used for mortgage and other long-term loans. 404번 Debt Service Coverage Ratio DSCR 부채 서비스 상환 비율. The debt service coverage ratio is a measure of a property's ability to cover its debt obligations based on its net operating income. 이거 NY라 했죠. A DSCR greater than I indicator that the property generates sufficient income to meet its debt payments. Lenders use this ratio to assess the risk of lending money for real estate investments. 405. Title insurance, 근원보험. Title insurance protects property buyers and mortgage lenders against the defects or issues with the property types that may arise after sale. It is a one-time premium paid at closing and provides coverage for legal fees and other costs associated with resolving title disputes. This insurance ensures that the buyer has clear ownership of the property. 406. Ground lease, 토지 임대차. A ground lease is a long-term lease agreement in which a tenant is permitted to develop a piece of land during the lease period, after which the land and all improvements revert to the landlord. This type of lease is often used for commercial developments like shopping centers or office buildings. Ground lease can run for several decades and provide a stable income for the landowner. 407번 Real estate owned, 이거 REO라고 그러죠. Properties, 은행 소유 부동산. Real estate owned properties are homes or other real estates that have reverted to the ownership of a lender. Typically, a bank after an unsuccessful foreclosure auction. Lenders sell REO properties to recover the unpaid mortgage balances. These properties are often sold as is and may be priced below market value to increase a quick sale. 408. Net operating income, NY, 순영 없어도. Net operating income is a calculation used to analyze the profitability of income generation real estate, representing the total income from the property minus operating expenses. Excluding taxes and financing costs, NOI is used by investors to compare the property of different properties. A higher NOI indicates a more profitable investment. 409. Rent escalation clause, 임대료 인상 조항. A rent escalation clause is a provision in a lease agreement that allows the landlord to increase the rent at specified intervals, often tied to inflation or fixed percentage. This clause helps landlords keep rent rates in line with market conditions over time. Tenants should review and understand this clause before signing the lease. 410. Capital stack, 자본구조. The capital stack refers to the hierarchy of different types of capital that are used to finance a real estate project, including debt and equity. It shows the order in which different investors are repaid in the event of a sale or liquidation. Understanding the capital stack is important for assessing the risk and return profile of an investment. 다 따라오고 계시죠? 그냥 쓱쓱 해석돼야 되면 이거보다 더 빨리, 일론보다 더 빨리 해석돼야 되면 쓱 보시고. 411. Debt financing, 부채금융. Debt financing involves borrowing money to purchase or develop real estate, with the obligation to repay the borrowed amount plus interest over time. Common forms of debt financing include mortgages, commercial loans, and bonds. Using debt allows investors to leverage their capital to acquire large assets that they could purchase outright. 412. Operating lease, 운영 임대차. An operating lease is a lease agreement where the lease rents an asset for a period shorter than its useful life, and the lease does not transfer ownership rights. These leases are typically used for equipment, vehicles, or office space, allowing the lessee to use the asset without the responsibility of ownership. At the end of the lease term, the asset is returned to the lessee. 413. Equity multiple, 자본배수. Equity multiple is a metric used by real estate investors to measure the total return on their equity investment, calculated by dividing the total cash distributions by the total equity invested. An equity multiple greater than 1.0 indicates a positive return on investment, meaning the investor has received more cash than the initial equity invested. This metric is often used alongside other return metrics, such as the interval rate of return, IRR. 이거 배우시죠? To provide a comprehensive view of an investor's performances. 414. CAL rate, 자본화율. The capitalization rate, or CAL rate, is a metric used to evaluate the return on a real estate investment, calculated by dividing the property's net operating income, 이거 NOI죠, by its current market value. A higher cap rate indicates a potentially higher return, but may also imply higher risk. Investors use the cap rate to compare different properties and assess their properties. 415. Due diligence, 실사. Due diligence in real estate is a comprehensive appraisal of property undertaken by a prospective buyer to confirm all material factors and assess the property's value and potential risks. This process includes reviewing financial records, legal documents, property inspections, and market analysis. Due diligence helps the buyers make informed decisions and avoid unforeseen problems. 416. Build to suit, 맞춤 건축. Build to suit refers to property that is constructed or adapted to meet the specific needs of a tenant or a buyer. This type of development is often used for commercial properties like offices, retail spaces, or warehouses. Build to suit projects are customized to the client's specifications and can involve long lease terms or higher costs. 잘 따라오고 계시죠? 417. Price elasticity of housing demand. 주택 수요의 가격 탄력성. Price elasticity of housing demand is commonly discussed in real estate interviews because it connects theory with the practice. In a deal review, you can use price elasticity of housing demand to explain how demand shifts affect pricing and absorption. Regulations, market cycles, and financing conditions often determine how price elasticity of housing demand appears in real data. If you define price elasticity of housing demand clearly, your answers sound more analytical and policy away. 418. Lease option, 임대 option. A lease option is a contractual agreement that gives the tenant rights, but not the obligation to purchase the leased property at the end of the lease term. This option typically includes a predetermined purchase price and may require an option fee. It provides flexibility for the tenant and potential investment opportunities. 419. Asset level budgeting, 자산 단위 예산 편성. Asset level budgeting is commonly discussed in real estate interviews because it connects theory with practice. In a deal review, you can use asset level budgeting to explain how operating assumptions drive NOI and value. Market conditions and lease structures often determine how asset level budgeting is built and updated. If you define asset level budgeting clearly, your answers sound more professional and operations focused. 420. Joining laws, 용도지역 법규. Joining laws are regulations that dictate how land and buildings can be used in specific areas. These laws help ensure that land use is compatible with the community's needs and maintain the character of neighbors. Joining laws can affect property values and determine what types of buildings can be constructed. 이거 중요해요. 412. Equity financing, 자본금융, 이것도 중요합니다. Equity financing involves raising capital through the sale of shares of ownership interest in a property or company. This type of financing does not require repayments like debt, but involves sharing profits and control with investors. Equity financing is often used for large-scale projects and can attract investors seeking ownership stakes. 422. Cost segregation study, 감가상각 비용 분리, cost segregations. Cost segregation study is commonly discussed in real estate interviews because it cracks theory with practice. In an investment memo, you can use cost segregation study to explain after-tax returns and the timing differences. Tax rules and accounting standards determine how cost segregation study is applied in each jurisdiction. If you define cost segregation study clearly, your answers sound more finance-oriented and precise. 423. 캐시플로우, 현금으로. 이거 중요합니다. Cash flow is in real estate refers to the net income generated via property after all operating expenses are paid. Positive cash flow indicates that the property is generating more income than expenses, while negative cash flow means expenses exceed income. Managing cash flow is essential for the financial health of an investment. 부동산에서 현금 흐름은 모든 운영 비용을 지불한 후에 부동산이 창출하는 순이익을 의미한다. 양의 현금 흐름은 부동산이 비용보다 더 많은 수익을 창출한다는 것을, 음의 현금 흐름은 비용이 수익을 추가한다는 것을 의미한다. 현금 흐름 관리는 투자 재산의 재무 건강에 필수적이다. 이거 중에서 한번 읽어봤어요. 그리고 424. Gross Rent Multiplier, 총 임대 배수. The Gross Rent Multiplier GRM is a metric used to estimate the value of an income-generating property based on its gross rental income. It is calculated by dividing the property's purchase price by each annual gross rental income. The GRM helps investors quickly compare different properties and assess their potential return. 425. Non-traded REIT, 비상장 리츠. Non-traded REIT is commonly discussed in real estate interviews because it connects theory with practice. You can use non-traded REITs to compare liquidity, valuation, transparency, and fee structures with listed REITs. Market liquidity and disclosure rules often shape now how non-traded REIT products are structured. If we define non-traded REIT clearly, your answers sound balanced and investor-focused. 426. Tenant screening, 임차인 선정. Tenant screening is the process of evaluating potential tenants to determine their suitability for rental property. This process includes background checks, credit checks, employment verification, and rental history review. Effective tenant screening helps landlords minimize risks and maintain a stable rent income. 427. Straight line versus accelerated depreciation. 정해법 대 가속 상각. Straight line versus accelerated depreciation is commonly discussed in real estate interviews because it connects a theory with practice. In valuation, you can use straight line versus accelerated depreciation to explain differences between accounting profit and cash flow. Tax incentives and policy design often affect which depreciation methods is effectively used. If you explain straight line versus accelerated depreciation clearly, your answers sound rigorous and interviews ready. 428. Capital gains tax deferrals. 양도소득 이연. Capital gains tax deferral is commonly discussed in real estate interviews because it connects theory with practice. You can use capital gains tax deferral to explain how transaction timing influences after-tax returns. Tax rules and compliance requirements determine when capital gains tax deferral is legally available. If you define capital gains tax deferral clearly, your answers sound practical and policy aware. 429. Renewal property modeling, 갱신확률 modeling. Renewal probability modeling is commonly discussed in real estate interviews because it connects theory with practice. In an asset plan, you can use renewal probability modeling to forecast vacancy risk and leasing cost. Tenant mix and market rent gaps often drive the outputs of renewal probability modeling. If you define renewal probability modeling clearly, your answers sound more data-driven and strategic. 430. Property tax 재산세. Property tax is a levy imposed by local governments on real estate properties based on their assessed value. The revenue generated from property taxes is used to fund public services such as schools, roads, and emergency services. Property tax rates and assessments can vary significantly by location. Property appraisal, 부동산 감정. Property appraisal is the process of determining the market value of a property via licensed appraisal. Appraisals are often required for real estate transactions, refinancing, or property tax assessment. A professional appraisal ensures an accurate and unbiased valuation. 432. Real estate market analysis, 부동산 시장 분석. 이게 중요합니다. Real estate market analysis involving examining market trends, property values and economic factors to assess the investment potential of property. This analysis helps investors make informed decisions and identify opportunities and risks. 433. Lease agreement, 임대계약. A lease agreement is a legally binding contract between a landlord and a tenant that outlines the terms and conditions of renting a property. It typically includes details such as rent amounts, lease duration, security deposit, and responsibilities of both parties. A well-drafted lease agreement helps prevent disputes and ensures a smooth rental experience. 434. Mortgage interest rate, 주택담보대출 이자율 중요합니다. The mortgage interest rate is the rate of interest charged on a home loan by a lender. It can be fixed, meaning it remains the same throughout the loan term, or variable, meaning it can change over time based on market conditions. The interest rate significantly impacts the monthly payment and the overall cost of the loan. 435. Real estate investment, 부동산 투자. Real estate investment involves the purchase, ownership, management, rental, or scale of real estate of profit. It can include residential, commercial, and industrial properties. Effective real estate investment strategies aim to generate income, appreciation, and tax benefits. 436. Real estate development, 부동산 개발. 중요합니다. Real estate development is the process of improving land or buildings to increase their value. This can involve new construction, renovation, or repurposing of existing structures. Successful development requires careful planning, financing, and market analysis. 437. Real estate portfolio, 부동산 포트폴리오. A real estate portfolio is a collection of real estate rates owned by an individual or an institution. It can include various property types, such as residential, commercial, and industrial properties. Managing a portfolio involves diversification, risk management, and strategic investment planning. 438. Lease agreement terms, 임대계약 조건. Lease agreement terms specify the rights and obligations of both the landlords and the tenant. These terms typically include the lease duration, rent amounts, maintenance, responsibility, and the policies on renewals and termination. Clear and fair terms help prevent misunderstanding and disputes. 조금 텀을 드릴 테니까 밑에 보시면서 해석 맞는 거 한번 보세요. 자, 439. Property maintenance, 부동산 유지 보수 중요합니다. Property maintenance involves the regular upkeep and repair of the property to ensure it remains safe, functional, and attractive. 아우, 제가 공부한다고 잠을 못 자고 너무 피곤합니다. 논문도 쓰고 책도 보고 이랍니다. This includes tasks like cleaning, landscaping repairs, and inspections. Proper maintenance helps preserve property value and tenant satisfaction. 440. Real estate syndication, 부동산 syndication. Real estate syndication is a partnership where multiple investors pool their resources to invest in a property that would be difficult to acquire individually. A syndicator or sponsor manages the investment and property on behalf of the group. This allows investors to participate in larger, potentially more profitable real estate deals. 441. Yield compression, 수익률 압축. Yield compression is commonly discussed in real estate interviews because it connects theory with practice. You can use yield compression to explain why asset prices rise even when NOI grows slowly. Interest rates and risk premiums often determine the direction of yield compression. If we define yield compression clearly, your answers sound more macro-aware and investment-oriented. 442. Property valuation, 부동산 가치평가 중요합니다. Property valuation is the process of determining the current worth of a property. It involves various methods, such as comparative market analysis, income capitalization, and cost approach. Accurate valuation is essential for buying, selling, financing, and investing in real estate. 443. Real estate market trends, 부동산 시장 동향. Real estate market trends refer to the patterns and movement in the real estate market over time. These trends can include changes in property prices, demand, and supply dynamics, and economic factors. Understanding market trends help investors make informed discussion and anticipate further market conditions. 444번 Lease Agreement Renewal, 임대계약 갱신. Lease agreement renewal is the process of extending an existing lease for another term. This can involve renegotiating terms such as rent duration and other conditions. Renewing a lease can provide stability for both tenants and landlords and help maintain a positive rent relationship. 445. Property Management Software, 부동산 관리 소프트웨어. Property management software is a digital tool that helps landlords and property managers streamline operations. It can include features like rent collection, maintenance, tracking, tenant communication, and financial reporting. Using property management software can increase efficiency and reduce administrative burdens. 446번 Joining ordinance, 용도 규정 중요합니다. Joining ordinances are local laws that regulate land use and development within specific areas. They determine how land can be used, such as residential, commercial, or industrial purposes. Understanding joining ordinances is crucial for developers and investors to ensure compliance and proper planning. 447. Amortization schedule, 상한 일정표 중요합니다. 반복되는 것도 있는데 뭐가 달라도 다르고 다 중요하기 때문에 그렇게 해놓은 거예요. On amortization schedule details each loan payment, showing how much goes toward the principal and how much toward interest over time. It helps the borrower to understand how their payments reduce the loan balance. Amortization schedules are commonly used in mortgages and other long-term loans. 448. Net operating income, 이 순영업소도 NOI라고 아주 중요해요. Net operating income is the total income generated via property minus its operating expenses. NOI is a key indicator of property profitability and is used in valuing real estate investments. A higher NOI typically means a more profitable property. 449. Lease option, 임대 option. A lease option gives the tenant the right but not the obligation to purchase the property at the end of the lease term. It typically involves an option fee and a predetermined purchase prices. Lease options providing flexibility for the tenant and potential investment opportunity. 450. Property deeds, 부동산 소유권증서. A property deed is a legal document that transfers ownership of a rental estate from one party to another. It includes a description of the property and the name of the buyer and the sold. These are essential for establishing legal ownership and are recorded with the local government authorities. 이제 400에서 450번까지 했는데 50분 정도씩 하겠습니다. 이렇게 쉬었다. 여러분들 이렇게 하면서 바로 1년 정도면 직독 찍게 돼야 됩니다. 그 오는 사람 수준들이 대단합니다. 그냥 간단한 영어 테스트라고 하지만 그렇게만 생각하고 온 사람들하고 여러분처럼 이렇게 해가지고 오는 게 하고 누가 다르겠어요. 경쟁력이 엄청 센데요. 여러분들 힘내시고요. 이 정도까지 따라오셨으면 잘하실 거예요. 충분히 잘할 수 있어요. 자.